To add PayPal to the Authenticator app in 2025, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Authenticator app installed on your device and a PayPal account. Open the PayPal website or mobile app and sign into your account. Navigate to the security settings, which can usually be found under the Profile or Account Settings menu. In the security settings, look for the option to set up two-factor authentication, which may be listed as 2FA or two-step verification. Select this option and choose the Authenticator app as the method for receiving verification codes. You will be prompted to scan a QR code using the Authenticator app or enter a secret key manually. Open the Authenticator app on your device and tap the plus icon or Add Account button to start the process of adding a new account. Choose the option to scan a QR code and point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on the PayPal website or mobile app. Alternatively, if you are given a secret key, select the option to enter a key and type it in manually. Once you have scanned the QR code or entered the secret key, the Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Return to the PayPal website or mobile app and enter this verification code to complete the setup process. You may be asked to confirm that you have successfully set up the Authenticator app. After setting up the Authenticator app with your PayPal account, you will be required to enter a verification code generated by the app each time you sign into your PayPal account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to gain access. It is essential to keep your device and the Authenticator app up to date to ensure the security of your PayPal account. Also, be aware that if you lose access to the Authenticator app or your device, you may need to go through a recovery process to regain access to your PayPal account. By following these steps, you can successfully add PayPal to the Authenticator app and enhance the security of your online transactions.